Welcome back to another video. Just in Chinatown at the minute. Gonna go pick up an order. Boost is at 1.6. Yeah, the boost is at 1.6, so gonna get some pretty decent money for any orders. Chinatown's the only one at the moment that's got 1.6 boost tonight. Come on. There's a lot of people. Oh, people are around. Jesus. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Shit, we got knocked by someone.
That's okay, after you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So I got that one. It's 1.5 miles away, so it's just on the other side of Westminster. Yeah, only downside of being in Chinatown is
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
see what we got to do. Not to break anything on here. $340. Thank you. Do they have to come down, yeah? Yeah. Perfect. Is this a student accommodation?
No, it's residential.
Okay. Makes my life easier anyway. Yeah. Look at 7.45 just for that one. Really? From Chinatown to here. Really? 1.5 miles. It's good.
Delivery seems like giving me 6 for the delivery from within a mile. It's good at the
Pretty
moment.
good, yeah. Only so back over to the other side of Waterloo Bridge. Hopefully get some orders from Chinatown again. Yeah, 7.45 for one delivery. I'm not complaining. UberEats collection?
UberEats, right?
Yeah. Thank you. This one's 1.6 miles away, so I should pay around the same, £7 something. Yeah, let's go get it dropped. So nearly there. 0.1 miles left. I think it's this huge building here. I think this is where I'm delivering to. I don't know where I'm going. Hopefully. Alright, let's give them a call. Hello there, it's UberEats. I've got your order. Whereabouts is your apartment?
Are you on a bike?
I'm on a bicycle, yeah. I'm at oh yeah, I see you now. No worries, thank you. I'll bring it up to you. Thank you. Thanks. Alright, so we got another order while she was on the phone to that customer, which is good. We can go and grab that order afterwards. I know where it is, it's just around the corner. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we're gonna go pick up another one just around the corner. So yeah, I'll bring you back once I pick up this order. I got that order. It's 1.3 miles away. I think this one's a 1.4 boost. So I think I'm out of the zone for 1.6. But it don't matter. So I got another order, just 0.4 miles away. So we'll go and pick that one up. I don't even know how much I'm on, to be honest, because there's just been order after order. I think I can check. Hello? Hi, boss. No worries. Alright, this order is 1.4 miles away. So it's a pretty good drop. I don't think I've had an order yet that's under a mile. Tonight, anyway. Yeah. See how much we got for that one. $5.41 for that last one. Oh. In total on £25, 8 pence. Alright, gonna have a little break now because I've been non-stop pedaling, man. I'm bloody knackered. Alright, gonna go offline for about 10-15 minutes and then I'll go back online soon. So I'm going to head back up to Chinatown. It's 4.3 miles away, so yeah, a bit of a ride, but yeah, currently on £25, which ain't bad. Just got back into Covent Garden. Gonna go pick up this order. 0.4 miles away, so not far at all. .4 miles away. This one.
you.
Thank you very much. Cool, that one's done. Let's go pick up this honest burger order. So this one's 1.7 miles away. It's probably going to be my last one for tonight because yeah, I've made a decent amount already. Should be on about 35-40 pounds so far. Hello. I'm good, thank you. There we are. Have a nice evening. Thank you. Yeah, let's see how much that one paid. 6.36. Takes me up to 39.56 so far. My bike is on 1% now, well, 1 bar, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see. Alright, so I'm gonna sign off there. I finished on £39 something, yeah, just under 40 quid. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks to everyone that subscribed again, and all the likes and comments that I've been getting on my videos. Really appreciate it. I'm heading to the pub for a nice cold pint. Yeah, boy.
Ryan, back to the office. So did you have anything to drink tonight?
No, today no, only one beer.
Oh, one beer?
Yeah.
That's it?